So this is November last year, 2019. About 6 a.m. Put the drone up. Thought we'd try and get some nice sunrise shots. Wanted to send it out towards the coast. I had the iPad, which has got quite a big screen, but even then I couldn't quite see. If I'd have perhaps peered a bit closer, I would have seen that there were rain clouds in the distance. Pretty bad. And then the first real sign that I got of it that I was in trouble was when I noticed raindrops falling on me. At that point, I was like, oh my God, what do I do? Do I leave the drone where it is? It was about 3 or 4 kilometers away. Or do I bring it back home? So I kind of bottled it, brought it back home, and that's when you could see all the rain. It was going pretty severe. I managed to land it, as you can see here, at full speed home. Landed it, but I couldn't. I was a bit fumbled, and I couldn't turn it off. So I'm dragging it, trying to get it under cover. Found a bush, and then managed to shut the drone down. The drone was okay after drying it off. Thank God.